To ensure the security and accessibility of your Phantom wallet, it is crucial to understand the best practices for managing your recovery phrase. The recovery phrase is a list of words that allows you to regain access to your wallet in case you lose your device or forget your password. First, it is essential to understand that your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet, and anyone with access to it can control your funds. Therefore, it is vital to keep it safe and secure. When generating your recovery phrase, make sure you are using the official Phantom Wallet application to avoid any potential scams or phishing attempts. The phrase typically consists of 12 to 24 words, and it is crucial to write them down in the correct order. To keep your recovery phrase safe, never store it in a digital format, such as in a note-taking app or email. Instead, write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location, like a safe or a locked cabinet. It is also recommended to make multiple copies of your recovery phrase and store them in different locations, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. This ensures that you can access your wallet even if one of the locations is compromised. Another critical best practice is to never share your recovery phrase with anyone, including friends, family members, or financial institutions. If someone asks for your recovery phrase, it is likely a scam, and you should immediately report it to the authorities. In addition to keeping your recovery phrase secure, it is also essential to keep your Phantom Wallet software up to date. Regular updates often include security patches and new features that can help protect your wallet from potential threats. Finally, it is crucial to test your recovery phrase periodically to ensure that it is working correctly. You can do this by using your recovery phrase to restore your wallet on a separate device or browser. This helps you verify that your phrase is correct and that you can access your funds in case of an emergency. By following these best practices, you can ensure the security and integrity of your Phantom wallet and protect your digital assets from potential threats. Remember, your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet, and it is your responsibility to keep it safe and secure.